Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes, beginner stock talk thoughts. And I've been doing a lot of Instagram messaging. It's been very easy, and I've seen a lot of my YouTube. Well, I don't know my YouTubers, but I see names that I don't know, and I imagine it's my followers or you guys. And I really appreciate that because it's helping me be able to move and direct my messaging in the safest form for me. And with that being said, I know there's a lot of people that are confused on my messages on Instagram and they don't know what it means. Or if I make a comment like yesterday saying, "Thanks, Elon, for your help," that was actually me saying thank you. It wasn't like a snobby thing. It was, "Thank you for the code that you gave me that gave me the buy price that I bought today that helped me for tomorrow." Like, that's what I'm working on, and that's what I've been working on. And it's all been revealed through Elon Musk using Twitter as his voice and code as his language of converting the words that he says into numerical digits in the code world. Remember, this is Tuck's beginner code sesh 101. So I don't know. I'm just telling you like my findings and sharing them with you, and maybe someone will share something back. I've never heard one thing from anybody. So, you know what, guys? Just kidding. But what I wanted to show you is, look, I'm going to show you the code, or the tweet that Musk sent out last night on my phone. And it's going to show you, there's the recent, I'm so sorry, guys, this is taking forever. Here we go. Okay. If you look on Twitter, you follow Elon Musk, there it says, I've thought about, and ... I'm not sorry for party rocking. So that's, to me, my way in what he's saying is, hey guys, I've done some thinking and I'm not going to feel too bad about shaking this boat up for a little bit. Or I'm not, like the for the boat shaking up itself, not him shaking the boat, but partially, but in a good way. Trust me, this is all for, he's for us. He's for helping us. And so I took this right here, and then I took, hopefully this will work today. Okay. Oh no. Here. Look at the text. See, I and the apostrophe, and then I always said the last letter, E. So the first words that I plugged in this box were I and apostrophe. I screwed up. It's supposed to be an E, but E equals, we can find out what that equals. Anyways, it didn't really dramatically change anything much, but we'll keep going with this thought process and feel like a douche for making a mistake on my presentation. So the next word is thought. So T is the first word and T is the last letter. So there's that. I put a space between that. And then I go to the next word. About. A and T. So at. I know this is backwards, but this is the best I can do right now. But just get the meat and potatoes of this and you can figure this out on your own. Next one, let's see if you can do it on your own with this horrible glare. It's the word and. What are the two words? A, D, space. This is the part, if you get hard, when you use things like this, space, and then you literally put in that like use the period and then go to the colon or whatever the ... means, and you continue on with this till it ends. So this one's another one just like the beginning, so it's I apostrophe. This is, you write the whole thing, so you'll see I'm not sorry for partying, rocking. Yeah, rocking. G. And then it computes and spits out all these numbers right here. These numbers is where you find what's relevant on your app, on your whatever app you're using. And for this is Dogecoin and Bitcoin specifically, and I think Ethereum. And so within these numbers is the price point and the price target for the upcoming scheduled, I don't know what Musk's schedule is, but at least it's somewhat like a weekly update on what's going to happen next. And I've been using this to help me calculate my buy prices and my sell points. And it's so far been extremely helpful. And I'm not even in that part where we're in the blue phase where it's all good and you can just sit back and chill. You only had a few seconds to see that piece of paper. Hint. And so you got to try that. Also, there's a thing called a Ichimoku cloud. I did a video on that, but I'll do another one in a more condensed and how to use it to your advantage to buying things. But you have to watch out when I'll show you an example on my phone and I'll end our video in this quick chat. But on the Robinhood app, this is the cloud. All of this up here. And then it goes back down somewhere a little bit above the previous low of this rally. And sometimes you have to go back a day or a week to see what's going on. But that also is another indicator and a helpful validator for making you feel like you're going and choosing the right price target. You want to buy price or selling price. So I hope this video has been informative. I'll try to keep making more YouTube videos. I know I've been lagging on it, but honestly, as you guys know, there hasn't been much information to talk about. So I'm not going to give you I'm going to give you real stuff if there's real stuff. So I appreciate all the love from 110 subscribers and all of my viewers and my friends and family. Love y'all. Follow me on Tuck Notes and on Instagram at TuckerMLO. Peace out. Late.